In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google developer profile. So if you're signing up for the Android Camp by GDSC REC, you need this profile in order to store your badges and for us to verify your work and get your prizes and everything. So let's get started. So head over to Google and type this right here, how to create a Google developer's profile. You could do that, or otherwise you can copy the link from description, which is over here. You can click on it. When you head over to this link, you're going to be landing on a page something like this, and you can hit create profile, and the name is autofilled for you. If you want to change it, you can change it, and the rest of the details totally optional. So I'm going to click next. You can select a bunch of interests if you like. Scroll down, click next, and if you want to receive any optional emails from Google developers, you can click on this button or leave it like it. For that's what I'm going to do right now. And that's it. When you click finish, your profile is created and you have your Google developer's profile. But that's not all. Right now, if you click on my profile, you would see that your profile is private and only available to you. That means we cannot validate your work. Nobody else other than you can see your badges or your work. So to change this, head over to the settings, account, and click on public. Set it to public and give a name for your profile. It could be anything. It could be your name, or it could be your organization, whatever you want to. So I'm going to go with this. Hit save. And yes, once you do it, you can only change these names every 30 days. So if you if you want to change your name, you make sure that you set it to the right one. Hit yes, and head back to your profile. And now that you see right here is your profile link. You can copy this link and share everywhere else. It redirects to the same page as this. And that's it. That's how you create a Google developer's profile.